Welcome to Web Tutorials channel. In this video we will learn how to download and install Sublime Text 4 on Windows 11 operating system. First go to your web browser. You can use any browser. I am using Chrome here. Type Sublime Text and press enter. Now click on this Sublime Text link from sublimetext.com. Sublimetext.com. This is the official website for Sublime Text. Now click on this download for Windows link. Download has been started. It is 15 MB in size, so wait for the download to complete. Now open the downloaded file and double click on it to start installation. Now the setup will ask you for a confirmation. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? To confirm, click yes. So the setup has started. So first of all, select destination location. By default, the setup will install Sublime Text to C program files. You can change the installation location from here, but let's keep the default installation location. Click next. Select additional tasks. You can check this checkbox to add Sublime Text to Explorer context menu. Click next. Now setup is ready to install. Click install. Now setup has completed the installation process. Click finish and close this. Now go to the search menu and type Sublime Text. The menu will appear here. Click on that. So it will launch the Sublime Text editor. So you have learned how to download and install Sublime Text in Windows 11 operating system. Thank you for watching the video.